light's really bright. It is currently 6:30 a.m. We're on our way to Pendennis Point to see if we can get the sunrise. So there's currently this sort of dark cloud in the sky, and I'm hoping that it clears, as we're not going to be able to see much of a sunrise. If you wanted to say sunset. Right, so we're here and we've got a couple of time lapses on the go. We've got the GoPro this way, getting that side. Just hoping that some of these clouds clear. And then over here, we've got another iPhone, getting that shot there. And then what I'm thinking is I'm going to set up this camera and possibly get the other side of the sun hitting Falmouth on that side. And that's it. It's 7:30 a.m. There's the sunrise, and I think that's pretty much as good as it's going to get. As far as the time lapses and the drone footage, hopefully that came out fine. I think it's time to go get breakfast.
Many hours later.
So now we're in Porthtowan, and because sunrise wasn't that epic, I thought we'd come down to Porthtowan to get the sunset. But again, the problem with sunsets and sunrises are you don't actually know how epic they're going to be until you're actually there. You can either get red sky, you can not. I do have another time lapse going, and we're going to send the drone up as well. But fingers crossed this works out. Another thing I was going to say as well is that for me, I would always prefer a sunrise because it's something a bit more poetic about something arriving rather than leaving. But fingers crossed, this sunset comes out well. So that's about it from me. Kate, what do you prefer, sunrise or sunset?
Oh, both. I don't know, probably sunset.
while I've got you there as well, don't forget that little green circle down there. If you hit that, it will subscribe to the channel and you get to see more videos of Cornwall. And unfortunately, you get to see me a lot more as well. So, see you soon.